How to download Cluely AI. So first thing you want to do is open an internet browser. Then go search in the search bar called Cluely AI. Then wait for it to load. Now, you will see a lot of links. However, this is the only official one. So first thing is the Cluely one. This is the official website. So click this downloads right here. Now, what you need to consider is there's a download for Mac and Windows. So this is for your MacBooks and for the Windows user. I'm a Windows user, I'm gonna click this download right here. Now, it will now download and open a file which you can now save on your download folders. So you just wait for that to load, and once it's done loading, you can open that downloader. Then it will run the website itself, and you'll be able to download Clearly AI on your PC. And as you can see, right here, if it's using a browser instead, you can just use the Chloe AI browser without having to download it. However, downloading is an option, and it's up to you if you want to download it or not.